for your entertainment. So please be respectful of the speakers.
Welcome everyone to our third consecutive assembly to celebrate Black excellence.
As usual, we have a terrific show planned, so sit back and enjoy.
Rise high as the listening skies, let it resound loud as the rolling sea.
Black, white, mixed. No matter what label I choose, it'll always be wrong. My hair's too curly to be white, and my skin's too light to be black, and I'm not black or white enough to be mixed. People say embrace who you are, but how are you supposed to when you're either called too black or not black enough? Black, white, mixed.
Who am I here with?
Michael.
Don.
Anthony, Riley's hungry. That cute guy that dresses good.
No, you're not. Anyway, what was your favorite part of the assembly today?
The part when they did the drums and stuff. That was nice.
The dancing.
I think the drums are cool.
Yeah, same. What's your names?
Leah.
Bella.
What was your favorite part about the BSU assembly?
Every part of it, I really liked it. I didn't really have one.
I like the dancing.
Yeah, I like the dancing
And
too.
the music. The drums or whatever.
I thought that was sick.
2, 1, go.
What's your name?
Miss Isabel.
And what was your favorite part about the BSU assembly?
I loved all of it, but I have to say I really liked Malia's speech.
Part about the assembly?
Probably the drums and the dancing at the end.
Agreed.
Yes.
What's your name?
Talina.
And what was your favorite part about the BSU assembly?
I really liked both of the dancing. It was really entertaining.
Good dancing.
Really cool. I really liked at the end with like all the drumming and dancing and stuff.